Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up and manage affiliate marketing program in Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and the first thing that we can do so that we can associate affiliate here in Shopify is to go here in the search button and type in affiliate. And once you're done, you want to click here on search for affiliate in the Shopify App Store. And once you're here in the Shopify App Store, you would see a bunch of apps that enables you to affiliate here in Shopify. But the app that I'm gonna recommend right here and that we're gonna use for example right here in this tutorial is GoAffPro. Just like that, click on it after you have searched GoAffPro right here. And as you can see, we have the GoAffPro right here. So we're gonna click on it. And as you can see, it has a lot of reviews of 1,700 compared to other apps, which is only like this, 100, and this one is 2,000. This is also very famous, and this GrowWave right here. But GoAffPro is a really great app right here to start with. So click on the Add App right here. And just wait a moment right here, and we're gonna install GoAffPro right here. Click on the Install App. And from here, we just need to wait. And now all we need to do is right here, choose a plan, so free. And this is an upgraded plan right here. So we're just gonna go for free for this one, for this example. And as you can see, installation is success. Now we can get started right here. And you can go for a quick question right here. So if you're new, then you could just answer this question right here. But for this example, we're just gonna skip this setup right here, so that we can I can show you the things right here. But in your case, you would want to answer those questions right there so that you would be guided by the staff right here, or we'll be guided on GoAffPro and how you can use this app right here. And here are your important links right here. So you need to give this to that person. So if you want to send them into your login page, then this is the link right here. So these are the list of important links that you will need to use here in GoAffPro. And you can see the page views, orders, revenues, and affiliates right here. You can see everything right here. And yeah, you can, if you have earned something right here, you can also do that right here. And now for the next one is here. Let's go into commissions right here. And default commissions is, as you can see, you have 10%, but you can also change this right here depending on what you want. So you can change this into 20 or 30, just like that. And yeah, and click on save so that you can change it. And you can set affiliate commissions, affiliates with different commissions than default. And yeah, there are a lot more settings right here that you can use right here, but we're not going to go through all of that because this is just a quick tutorial. And you can explore it here in GoAffPro and click here on the affiliates, and you would be able to see all the affiliates right here. And your shop's visitors can become your affiliates by registering at your shop's affiliate portal. So your affiliates portal is right here in the dashboard, and you can see right here, affiliate portal. This is your link right here. So they would need to go here so that they would be your affiliate. And yeah, that is how basically you need to do so that you can get started in affiliating here in Shopify using the GoAffPro app. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.